Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. So from this video we are going to start contributing to a new Laravel project, um, hospital management system, and this project was created by me about you can see 3 years ago, but I got quite interesting and quite enough feedback on this project, so why not improve it live on YouTube and add some features into it and fix some features into it, and that's what we are going to do in the upcoming couple of videos. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. And you can see we have some issues as well, so we will be fixing that in this series as well. So first of all, let's just clone this project using the git clone and then the repository, which is hospital ms, hospital management system. Okay, so that process has been completed. Now we can cd into that, and the installation steps are provided here in the repository as well, and we can make this make this look good as well. So now since we are here, we can open this in VS Code, and we can do composer install or composer I to install the composer dependencies. And if we come here, we can edit the readme file from here. So let's do the editing of the readme file from here from GitHub. Until that, the composer install command is gonna take some time, and you can see we are using the HTML here. Till maybe at that time I wasn't aware of what's available here, so let's just update this. So we are going to use the tags, and this is bash, or we can ask ChatGPT to report the same for others as well. Okay, so we got the complete code, so we can just copy and paste it into this. And if we look here, we can either create separate for each one, or we can put it in all in one, like. But let's go with like each will have their own command. So let's just copy that, and then we will do cd, and after that we have composer install, and we will do the same for the rest of them. Okay, so now let's preview it and see how it looks like. Okay, I think we need to add some more styling. Okay, now looking good. Let's just duplicate that for all. Okay, so now you can see we can copy the commands, and we can install it. We can copy in each and everything. Okay, so now we can commit these changes, and now you can see the composer install command has been completed. So now we can execute, copy the env file to .env, and then we will execute php artisan storage link, then key generate. Then we can look at .env file in the VS Code. I'm using as my prepared code editor, and project name or the application name is hospital management system, and HMS is the name of the database. And so now let's migrate the migrations. We do need to create the username as root, since I'm using XAMPP as my editor or my database manager. Okay, now we need to create HMS database, and we can do that. Let me just create a database. Okay, I'm gonna re-execute the command since I have created the database, and now we can seed the data if we have using the php artisan db seed. And once that is done, we can execute php artisan server to serve the application, and let's give it a try. Okay, so this is the application. Most of the things are dynamic in this application, and let's have a look at the admin login if we have. Okay, we don't have, so let's see the login. Okay, now we can copy the credentials that we see right here and log in with that. So let's just put in the credentials. Okay, so I am logged in as administrator, and the admin panel has a lot of stuff, but I think it's not like very impressive enough. All the things are that properly working, not these are working. So that is what we are going to do in the upcoming couple of videos to make all of them working and improve the things that can be improved. So, and also we are going to fix the issues that are reported here on this repositories. Okay, so that is the first video, and we did the installation. We can view the application, and we can view the user side and side in all of them. And in the next video, we are going to get started in improving and exploring this Laravel hospital management system. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.